Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
मॉर्फ व्हिडिओ व्हायरल करपाची धमकी दिवन आमदार कार्लोसा कडल्यान पयशे उखलपाच्या प्रकरणात दुबाविता आड क्रायम ब्रांचीन केल्ली FIR हायकोर्टान रद्द केल्या. मॅटर दोगांय मदीं सेटल जाला अशें म्हणीत आरोपी कुकेशान FIR रद्द करपाची याचिका घातिल्ली. मंगळारच्या सुनावणे वेळार आरोपीच्या मागणेक सरकारी आदवोगादान विरोध केलो. कागाळकार एक आमदार आनी नामनेचो आदवोगाद देखून अशे तरेन FIR रद्द केल्यार समाजात चुकीचो संदेश वचूं येता असो सरकाराच्या आदवोगादान आर्ग्युमेंट घातिल्लो. फिर्यादी आमदाराची FIR रद्द करपाक कांयच हरकत ना अशें लक्षात आयल्या उपरांत हायकोर्टान FIR रद्द केल्या. तशेंच मुकेशाक 1 लाख रुपयाची फायन घातल्या.
The matter came up for hearing today and the court was pleased to quash and set aside the FIR and has ordered no further investigation in terms of the prayer as was made by the petitioner. The grounds on which we asked for quashing of FIR was that at the end of the day it has been settled between my client and respondent number 3. So where was the question of going ahead with this particular matter, because it can never end up in a conviction. Of course, the prosecution vehemently opposed this on the ground that it shakes up the social fabric and that there should be a strong deterrent in these cases. The court considered those arguments also and said that at the end of the day, if it's not going to end up in a conviction, then the only deterrent that it could impose was by awarding costs. So now the petitioner has been ordered by the court to deposit a cost of 1 lakh directly in the account of police welfare, and this is going to be a pinch for the for my client not to commit any such offences. Of course, it was never our case that we have committed. We just said that there was some misunderstanding, but it should be serving as a deterrent. The prosecution did oppose it on various counts. One of them was that the respondent number 3 is a public figure. So if such things could happen to a public figure, what about a common man and things like that?
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.